How to get a high score in Block Blast. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to plan ahead. Look at all three upcoming blocks and plan where they might fit after your current move. This will help you avoid deadlocks and keep your game going longer. Next is you need to aim for larger combos. Try to clear multiple lines at once, both horizontal and vertical. Focus on double clears by aligning your blocks to clear rows and columns simultaneously. You will get bonus point for this strategic move. Keep the middle option. Keep the middle area open and use the edges to build your pattern. This gives you more flexibility as the game progresses. Now use smaller pieces wisely. Don't rush to place the smaller blocks immediately. You need to make sure that you balance risk and reward. Stay calm under pressure. When the grid is filling up, it's easy to panic, but staying calm helps you think clearly and find the best moves. Practice makes perfect, so the more you play, the more you will get perfect. And that's it. By following the steps, you will get a high score on Block Blast. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.